Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about two home remedies which are Korean based home remedies mostly used by the celebrities and most of the Korean, China and Japanese people. So we are requiring just two main ingredients. One is cucumbers and second one is green tea. I challenge you guys, this works 100%. I know the video is little lengthy but it's worth seeing it. Cucumber and green tea helps to give the even skin tone, and these ingredients can effectively treat the acne and oily skin. Guys, we need cucumber juice for one of the remedies, so I'm starting the process with taking out the cucumber juice. So I'm taking here one fresh cucumber and peeling the skin. Now we just need to grate it so that we can easily strain the juice from it. So here I'm using normal strainer to take out the juice. Our cucumber juice is ready. Now let's see the process further.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel J Healthy Lifestyle. Till now you guys saw me off camera, and this is for the first time I'm coming in front of the camera because today I'm going to show one of the beauty tip. Not one, actually two. They really works great, and this is mainly you can see a lot of results when you are trying on a medium skin tone, and you can see that I have a medium skin tone. And these two remedies which I am going to share with you guys today, they worked really wonders for me. Now it is not possible, but as go further, like I will show my childhood photos. I used to be like so dark, and now my skin color is improved a lot. So I was following these methods from like I think past 7 to 8 years, and those really works for me. So what I thought was like, why don't I share? And there are a lot of people who are looking for even skin tone. Yeah, one thing I want to say, we cannot literally change the skin tone, but we can make the skin glow and it looks healthy and clean. So you can see I have a little bit of pimples. These are because of mangoes. So today we are going to make one scrub and one face cream. Scrub every day you can make it before going for bath, or like after taking the bath you can use this scrub, and before sleeping you can apply the cream which I am going to show today. So let's make a scrub first. So here I have hot water. For this we need green tea. So I am using Tetley green tea. So let's take one pouch. If you have leaves, you can also use those. I don't have leaves, I have this tea bag, so I'm going to use this. Let's take one tea bag. What we have to do, and this scrub is so simple and so easy. Now we just have to dip the tea bag in it. Soak it properly so that all the green tea leaves inside the tea bag get wet, and like it should be something like smashy. And do not throw this green tea. Yeah, if you guys watching my channel like on regular basis, you can see I'm sharing videos based on weight loss. I'm also going to upload one more video where I lost almost 4 inches of my tummy because of taking one challenge. That really worked well for me, so I'm going to upload that video further. Before going to sleep, have at least 1 cup of green tea, so which helps to burn that extra fat. So after dipping this for at least 2 minutes, let's take it outside. We just need 1 cup or something like this. Let's add this green tea in a bowl. So you guys can see there is a soaked green tea in this. Now we are going to add half a tablespoon of rice flour in it and half a tablespoon of honey. So now all we have to do is mix well. If you guys feel this is so thin, Then you can add little more rice flour in it. So it almost took 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and the consistency should be something like this. Now it is ready to go. All we have to do is clean your face. I don't have any makeup on my face apart from lipstick. So let me tie my hair. Just take a little bit and then start scrubbing it. You can also use this scrub on your neck, as I already took bath, so that's why I'm only applying on my face. So all we have to do is use your fingertips, just massage it in a circular way. Especially dark areas like here and here and here. I forgot to tell you guys, this is one of the famous home remedy followed by the Chinese and Korean people and even Japanese. They frequently take green tea. As you all know that after being like 40 years, 50 years, but still those people look so young. That is because they eat more of soupy foods, and they drink a lot of water, and they use a lot of herbal teas and green teas in their diet. Do not forget this area. Once you're done with the massage on your face, just take couple of rounds around your eyes. Done. Now let's leave it for 5 minutes and then wash. I'll see you guys once I wash my face. I just washed my face, and you guys can see how clean my face is. Now, like, lightly tap. My skin feels so good now, and it is so soft. Okay, now let's go for the second home remedy. So it only need 2 ingredients. Let's take one empty bowl first, and we have our cucumber juice ready. So we need some cucumber juice, and we need some aloe vera gel for this. So what we have to do, so we need half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can see I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. Now mix this very well. We need to get serum out of it. So start stirring this. If you feel like the juice is more and it is so thinner or so liquid, you can add a little more aloe vera gel. This looks so thin, so I'm going to add another half tablespoon of aloe vera gel to it. So after stirring for some time, we will get some serum like this. You can see. This is what we need. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice will give you this kind of serum. So you can store this like 7 days. We done with the scrub, so now let's go and see how we can apply this serum. Let's take a little. You can see I took a little. Just tap it. Don't forget your neck. Now all we have to do is just massage it nicely. Don't forget to massage around your eyes, as we also know that there will be a lot of dark circles. You can see I have dark circles. Cucumber literally helps in removing those. So take your ring finger and massage it in a circular way. And now reverse. Try to massage your skin the way I shown it. The good thing about this serum is it absorbs well into the skin. So now the final step, like we have well massaged our face, now just tap it. You can see the result after 3 days. Few people find it a little early also, but on the dark skin, I don't say it literally change your skin tone, but it really gives that glassy look, and it able to reduce the dark spots and try to make it even tone. So it also helps in removing the tan out of your face, and it also helps to remove the dark circles. If you guys are interested in seeing more of these kind of homemade tips, you can comment below. You can also comment below what kind of remedies you want to watch. So there are weight loss breakfast, weight loss dinner recipes. You can also watch those videos, and don't forget to comment below how these two remedies are working for you or not. So definitely it will work. Just try and be patient for the results. As don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when I see subscribers are increasing, I'll get interest to do lot more research and try to get lot of working homemade tips, because I don't want to waste you guys time by just doing some random videos. I want to do which is working. I want to make videos which are really working on skin. For that I need your support. Please subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on, so that whenever I upload new videos you can receive the notification. Okay, let's see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Friends, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload new video you will receive the notification.